Godra Properties Limited, Duties of Contractors Safety Officer. The duties of Safety Officer shall be to advise and assist the site management in the fulfillment of its objectives, targets, contractual obligations, statutory or otherwise, concerning BOCW Act central rules, prevention of personal injuries and maintaining a safe working environment. These duties shall include the following, namely, to advise the concerned departments in planning and organizing measures necessary for creating a safe working environment for all workmen engaged at site and to prevent any kind of personal injuries and damage to property. To advise on safety aspects in all job studies, and to carry out detailed job safety studies of selected jobs and to formulate hazard identification risk analysis, job hazard analysis report and site safety plan during initial mobilization stage of the project, to check and evaluate the effectiveness of the action taken or proposed to be taken to prevent personal injuries and damage to property, to ensure that all personal protective equipment, PPE, provided to workers as required under any of the provisions of the Act or the rules conform to the relevant Indian standards EN standard, and to advise all site engineers supervisors to ensure proper use of such PPEs by workers at site. Monitor that required buffer stock of the PPE is available and there is no shortage at any given time of the project. To provide advice on matters related to carrying out site safety inspections, daily walk-through surveys, etc., to carry out site safety inspections with involvement of site engineers, building area in charge, section in charge, site head in order to observe the physical conditions of work and the work practices and procedures followed by workers and to render advice on measures to be adopted for removing the unsafe physical conditions and preventing unsafe actions by work. To render advice on matters related to reporting and investigation of accidents and occupational diseases, to report and investigate all accidents, dangerous occurrences, and near misses, and to recommend the preventive measures so as to ensure non-occurrence of such cases, to investigate the cases of occupational diseases contracted and reportable dangerous occurrences. To advise on the maintenance of such records as are necessary relating to accidents, dangerous occurrences, and industrial diseases. To promote setting up of site safety committee and to act as advisor and catalyst to such committees, to organize in association with the concerned departments, campaigns, competitions, contests, and other activities which will create awareness and will develop and maintain the interest of the workers in establishing and maintaining safe conditions of work and procedures, and to design and conduct safety induction, skill safety training, special motivational training and educational program for the prevention of personal injuries. Health hygiene. Maintain update inventory register of plant machineries, lifting tools, tackles, cranes, earth-moving vehicles, power hand tools and monitor statutory, scheduled preventive test examination and periodic inspections. Monitor preventive maintenance inspections schedules of plant, machineries, and accessories and remind respective sections about scheduled activity. Also, he will be responsible to track preventive maintenance schedule of plant machineries as per manufacturer's manual recommendations with PM-DEPT. The contractor shall provide safety officer with such facilities, equipment, and information as are necessary to enable him to discharge his duties effectively. Such typical facilities may include personal computer, training room, training audiovisual aids, first aid room, vertigo test station, testing facility, facilities for storage of PPE, documents and stationery, etc.